केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
Hello dear friends, welcome back to our KSA Textile Company. So guys, I'm starting with these kind of amazing collections which are newly arrived here guys in our company. And apart from that guys, many of the beautiful kind of concepts are hanging there in these kind of the very amazing, unique, awesome concepts you're going to be getting here guys. See, these all are very highly available in some of the malls, showrooms, in many of the high set costly prices areas. But today I am showcasing these kind of beautiful heavily mall showrooms kind of concepts within a range of factory rate guys. Yeah, all the items I'm going to showcasing you, all you will be getting amazed by all the product. So guys, don't skip it in between, watch from video start to till the end. Many of the varieties I'm going to showcasing you, all these kind of the beautiful concepts you're going to be getting at the factory rate, and these kind of the concepts I'm going to showcasing you. So guys, first of all in my hand you're going to be getting in these kind of the unique concepts. See guys, threading tassels work you will be getting, and these kind of the beautiful pallu you're going to be getting guys. And apart from that, in these kind of the highly beautifully threaded work also you're going to be getting guys. See, in these kind of the variety you're going to be getting guys. See, fully I'm gonna opening saree because all these kind of the beautiful concepts with you will be get unstitched blouse also. Next two varieties I'm gonna showcasing you, like guys, see in these kind of the next varieties I'm gonna showcasing you, like see guys, first of all in my hand you will be getting these kind of the pallu designs. See, with beautiful designs of elephants and some of the peacocks, some of the, it's kind of Indian traditional concept guys. See, beautiful on the both side you will be getting the same bordered traditional concepts. And talking about the whole body of the saree also you will be getting in these kind of the beautiful dupatta or beautiful whole buttas work in full whole sarees also guys. 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting in these kind of the beautiful sarees. And apart from that, all you will be get at the range of factory rate guys. Two kind of these kind of the unstitched blouse you will be getting guys. See, like these kind of the beautiful blouse you will be getting. And apart from that, many of the varieties you're going to be getting guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful kind of concepts you're going to be getting guys. See, fully golden zaried work you will be getting. And apart from that, in these kind of the concepts you're going to be getting guys, fully peacock kind of concepts you're going to be getting. And talking about the ranges guys, 220, 250, 300, that kind of the ranges you will be getting in the our silk section guys. Yeah, silk sections you will be getting in these kind of the beautiful sarees. And apart from that, on the both side you will be getting. And if you're going to be concentrating guys, then you're going to be some small buttas also notice in some these kind of the varieties guys. Yeah, see, in these kind of the very beautiful kind of concepts you're going to be getting. And unstitched blouse also you will be getting. And one of the beautiful amazing sarees I'm going to showcasing you guys, like see how beautiful and how elongated some of the beautiful concepts will the heavy golden zaried work you will be get guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful peacock designs. And apart from that, talking about the fabric you want to be getting all of the amazing guys. See, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting in these kind of the concepts. Mainly what I am saying about our company is that all you will be get at the factory rate. See guys, in these kind of the beautiful unstitched blouse you will be get, which are contrasting also at the same time. Talking about the packaging you will be get in these kind of the packaging kind of concept guys. See, single piece will not be delivered, set wise you have to purchase in each set 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get. Video call facility will also be there guys. Yeah, on the video call facility the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. There will be not any kind of the changes in any of our item guys. See, next variety I'm going to showcasing you guys. See, beautiful in this kind of the concept. See guys, in this also same unique beautiful kind of concept also guys. See, beautiful unstitched blouse also you will be getting. And apart from that, fully pallu also you will be getting. On the both side you gonna concept. See guys, see. Beautiful you gonna be getting guys in these kind of the designs. And apart from that, fully whole beautiful bordered work also. And in these kind of the plain kind of concept also you're gonna be getting. In this, the same 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting in each kind of our saree. And apart from that, I'm opening some of the unique and heavy bridal wear sarees, like these kind of the concept. Like see guys. And all you will be get are with unstitched blouse guys. See how beautiful this was there. UP taste, Maharashtrian taste, Punjabi taste, South Indian taste, all the regional state taste you will be get and under one roof, which you name it, Kesaria Textile Company. And apart from that, you're going to be getting in these kind of the concept. See guys, whole beautiful kind of concept. And with this, you're going to be getting in these kind of the heavily copper jaried work kind of blouse items you're going to be getting guys. See, 6 to 7 different color shades you're going to be getting. And apart from that, talking about the length, you will be get complete length of our item. See. In this all varieties I'm going to showcasing you, all it will be come at under one row guys. Yeah. See how beautifully detailing was done in today's sarees. I'm going to showcasing you. See guys. So guys, today's video, many of the beautiful items you're going to be seen and viewed. And please subscribe our channel if you're going to be new. Then press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notifications of our videos. And guys, if you're not able to come here and visit, then also you can place your order in the medium of online. Yeah, you have to just call the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF with particular range also. Yeah guys, with particular range also. And guys, please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, या आपकी दुकान है, या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं, या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना कर दें। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट्स और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।